Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Scorpios for the month of April 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Scorpios for April. I'm sorry I couldn't do the readings for the month of March. The unexpected plans came up, unexpected travel came up, so I couldn't plan and do the readings. So let's see what do the cards have here for Scorpios. Okay, for Scorpios, please, overall energy for Scorpios in the month of April 2026. Overall energy for Scorpios. Okay, let's take both. All right, let's see what do the cards have as the key challenge and obstacle. Wow, the quick message. What are the action or advice message we have for you? Actions or advice for Scorpios for April. Actions or advice for Scorpios in April. Okay. Strength and opportunities for Scorpios. Strength and opportunities for Scorpios in April. Strength and opportunities for Scorpios. Okay, strength as a strength. Okay, now the probable outcome, please. Probable outcome for Scorpios, please. Outcome for Scorpios, please. What's the probable outcome we have for Scorpios in April? Okay, a card has flipped. Let's see if it has to come up. Okay, King, finally. Good. Okay. So, the overall energy for you, Scorpio, I am seeing in the month of April is something is going to complete. Okay, it's a end of a cycle. Okay, it's a death card, right? Death is like the end, but at the same time, it's also a new beginning. Right? Death is not the literal death I'm talking about. I'm talking about end of a end of a cycle, a phase in your life. Okay, so it can be it can be end of a relationship which is not so easy to deal with. It can be end of an old pattern on how you used to work or how you used to do things, and now that needs to change. Okay, something new has to start and something old has to release, old has to go, so that the new thing can come up. Okay, for for very few and specific of you, I see this is something related to handling your finances also somewhere. Okay, you need to be आप जिस तरह से अपने finances को पहले डील करते थे, जिस भी तरह से आप इन्वेस्ट करते थे, मे बी दैट ओल्ड पैटर्न, ओल्ड वे ऑफ looking into your finances needs to change, so that you can manage your finances in a much better and organized way. Also, I see for some of you it can be taking the help of a financial advisor who can help you to manage your finances in a much better and secure way, where you can get much better returns. Okay, from your investment, and also help you to grow financially. For some of you it can be you need to focus on grounding here means don't be too much into illusion. Here I'm talking about spending too much time on the screens, on the social media, or not stepping out of your home. For some of you, you may have locked yourself in the home and you're not stepping out. You need to spend time in nature. Okay, अगर आप जितना ज़्यादा time spend करते हो nature में, उतना ही ज़्यादा आप अपने आप से connect करते हो और उतना ही ज़्यादा आपको clarity मिलती है चीज़ों को deal करने में. इंस्टेड अगर आप डिस्ट्रैक्शन में, लाइक सोशल मीडिया इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन, राइट? अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहते हो सोशल मीडिया से, स्पेंडिंग hell lot of time in the social media, on the screens, it is somewhere blocking your creativity. Okay, so you need to end that way of how you used to be and start something new. Okay, there is something which is ending or something which needs to end. Okay, now you see how it is fitting in your case, but something which is going to end is not going to be it is not fruitful for you, and that is why it's going to come to an end. Okay, so just don't let it overpower you, don't let it stop you from growth, or stop you from growing. Rather, try to understand that what is that जिसकी वजह से ये चीज़ खत्म हुई है, और क्या लेसन था जो मुझे लेना है, and how I have to start that new chapter in my life. Okay, just try to change your perspective and see things from a different angle. Okay, that is what the overall energy is, what I'm getting here for you, Scorpios. Now the obstacle or challenge here is you need to be passionate. Okay, again this is confirmed, like somewhere आपकी creativity कहीं खो गई है, somewhere you are not so creative how you used to be before. It can be for any reason. You are not passionate how you used to be passionate before. Okay, you need to अगर आपको opportunity मिल भी रही है तो you are not grabbing it somehow, or you are too much closed off. Okay, it can be if you want just in case if you are single and if you're looking for a partner in your life, you are not passionate, you are not doing anything about it. Okay, which is like it's up to you whether you want to how you want that, like do you trust the dating apps, or do how do you want to approach or move towards it? It's up to you, but there is some kind of a passion, like are you actually wanting that to happen in your life, or no, are you still in dilemma कि ठीक है हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा, मिलना होगा तो मिलेगा, कोई नहीं मिलना है तो नहीं मिलेगा, but at the same time you are being closed off, कि एक तरफ माइंड बोलता है कि नहीं लेट्स डू समथिंग, मे बी कुछ लर्न करते हैं, कुछ नया हैबिट, कुछ नया हॉबी सीखते हैं, बट वो आता है थॉट एंड इट जस्ट डिसअपियर्स, राइट, एंड यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, यू आर नॉट रिसर्चिंग अबाउट इट, यू आर नॉट reaching out to the tutors who provide that, अगर कुछ उसको सीखने की जरूरत है, any course is there like जिसको आप सीख सकते हो, तो आप उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो, so there is lack of passion. Okay, is what I'm seeing. So you need to come back to that passion. You need to be fearless, you need to be quick, and you need to be passionate towards things what you really want to learn or to work on. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. इट कैन बी इन योर वर्क प्लेस ऑल्सो, जितना आप पहले पैशनेटली आप काम करते थे उतना पैशन अब नहीं रहा है, फॉर वट एवर रीजन, मे बी यू आर लाइक कि यू आर टू मच कि बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया है आपको उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में, उस पर्टिकुलर रोल में, सो समवेयर वो आपका स्पार्क इज गॉन, सो you need to bring that back by being creative. Okay, that is what I'm seeing here. Now the action or advice here for you is to to meditate. In the simplest way, if I can say, is to meditate. You need to release your suppressed emotions. Okay, आपने जो भी आपने डील किया है या जो भी आप डील कर रहे हो, आपने एट एन इमोशनल लेवल आपको उसको रिलीज करना है. अगर आप उसको सप्रेस करोगे तो इट विल नॉट लेट यू टू overcome whatever is stopping you from growing in your life, and उसकी वजह से आप stuck feel करोगे, right? You need to use your lesson, you need to use your experience, you need to use your wisdom for your own growth, for your own healing, for your own betterment, and also if possible to help others. Okay, so for that what I'm getting two things strongly here is, one is to meditate. आपको meditate करने की जरूरत है, आप भले ही 10 मिनट 15 मिनट जितना देर आप कर सकते हो, प्लीज meditate in the morning or before sleeping, एंड पॉसिबल है तो दोनों टाइम पे कर लीजिए, और अगर नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ डे प्लीज डू मेडिटेट एंड रिलीज योर सप्रेस्ड इमोशन विच इज हैवी ऑन यू टू डील विद. ओके, समवेयर you are emotionally closed off, emotionally drained, and that is why there is lack of passion, क्योंकि जब तक आप अपने इमोशंस रिलीज नहीं करोगे, ये पैशन आना इज नॉट सो इजी, राइट? थोड़ा, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से आप इमोशनली आप खुश नहीं हो तो आप किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं दिखाओगे, राइट? तो यू नीड टू रिलीज योर सप्रेस्ड इमोशन. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डील विद. The strength and opportunities for you here is like you are dealing with the situation with so much of maturity, which is really एडमायरिंग. ओके, आई वुड से कि आप जो भी सिचुएशन में आप डील कर रहे हो, आप बहुत पेशेंटली और बहुत मेच्योरली आप डील कर रहे हो. यू हैव दैट मेच्योरिटी, यू हैव दैट पेशेंस, यू हैव दैट courage, okay, to deal with the situation. आप जिस भी situation में हो, it can be in your challenging place, challenging workplace, it can be in your relations, it can be in your personal life, it can be managing both all alone. ठीक है, so that is what I'm getting. See, I am getting all the cards like you are single-handedly, आप single, like taking care of everybody, right? आप अकेले ही आप सब handle कर रहे हो, उस तरह की energy है. Like all the cards are like there is only one person in each card, right? So it's like it's giving me the message that you are handling everything, your finances, your emotion, your hobbies, taking care of yourself, taking care of your work, taking care of, your health, everything. You're doing everything, and deep down you're somewhere tired of it. So you need to release whatever is heavy on you to deal with, and be proud of yourself that how well you're handling the situation. Keep doing it. You are, this is your strength. Okay, this is your strength, that you are able to capable of doing everything all alone, and you are able of doing everything. I don't know what I'm saying. It's like you are capable enough of handling the situation in a much more mature way, and you are doing it so well. Okay, so just keep doing it. Okay, because that is how you are going to overcome this challenge. Okay, now the outcome here is to be more creative. Okay, I'm seeing that there is a very clear communication happening. You're having creative thoughts and ideas, but at the same time, as I said, आपको पहले release करना होगा. Whatever is heavy on you to deal with, you need to release that. You have to use your creativity. You have, अगर आपको कुछ ideas आ रहे हैं, कुछ कुछ सडन से कुछ क्लिक कर रहा है कि दिस इज हाउ आई कैन वर्क ऑन माई थिंग, दिस इज हाउ आई कैन अचीव माई गोल, दिस इज हाउ आई कैन complete a particular task. So you need to use that creativity. You need to use those ideas, and for your own growth. I see that there is so much of focus. There is definitely growth happening. You may not be seeing the reward right away in front of you, but then at the back end somewhere it's working. Okay, there is growth coming in. ठीक है, सो जो भी कंफ्यूजन्स है, यू विल बी वेरी क्लियर, एंड यू विल ओवरकम द चैलेंजेस, यू विल ओवरकम द कंफ्यूजन्स. आप बहुत क्लियर हो अपने कम्युनिकेशन में. आपको अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को एक्शन में लाना है, अपने प्लान्स को एग्जीक्यूट करना है, इज वॉट आई एम गेटिंग. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड ऐड वन मोर थिंग कि इमेच्योरली आपको कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. ठीक है, ब्लंट नहीं होना है अपने कम्युनिकेशन पे. यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर विद वॉट यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, हाउ यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, एंड बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ आपको सिचुएशन को डील करने की जरूरत है. ठीक है, नाउ द गाइडिंग मैसेज हियर फॉर यू स्कॉर्पियो इज होल्ड द स्पेस. ठीक है, सो व्हाट दिस कार्ड इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इज you need to be more clear, you need to have more clarity, and also, as I said, you don't have to do anything drastically, all of a sudden आपको कोई decision नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि sudden से जैसे you don't have another opportunity and you are leaving your job. Okay, so जैसे कोई कुछ हो गया, छोटा सा कुछ issue हो गया, and you are taking that decision. So immaturely कोई decision नहीं लेना है. Hold on. Okay, stay there, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन है जो आपको एंग्जाइटी जैसे फील करा रही है. So you need to take a pause. Okay, take a pause and see the things, understand the situation, and don't react. Instead focus on responding instead of reacting. ठीक है, trust. Okay, trust your instinct, trust that wherever you are supposed to be there. Okay, it's like a divine timing. Okay, maybe a small test might be universe is taking, and don't rush, don't be into that हरी बरी कि नहीं ये नहीं हो रहा, ये कर लेते, ये नहीं हो रहा, ये कर लेते, ये नहीं हो रहा, ये कर लेते. इम्पल्सिव होके कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है, इमेच्योर होके कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. rather have the strength to deal with the situation with maturity and in a calm and composed manner. Okay, so that is what the message I have for you, Scorpios. So please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.